What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the camera and screen of the new Samsung Galaxy S22. What do we know so far? In the near future, we can see the presentation of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. It will be a cool device, but we will see something really new only at the beginning of the next year with the release of the Galaxy S22 line. And today we are going to discuss this in detail. Please watch the full video content. Let's discuss first Samsung Galaxy S22 specifications. Initially, a couple of weeks ago, Twitter consultant Frontron unveiled several key features of the famous Galaxy S22 series. This has already pieced together some of the news we have heard before. Later, various confirmations of what was said appeared, which we will now consider. What screen will the Galaxy S22 have? The Samsung Galaxy S22 is reported to have a 6.6 inches LTPS display, while the Galaxy S22 Plus will have a 6.55 inches screen. As usual, the top model Galaxy S22 Ultra will stand apart. This phone will receive a screen made using LTPO technology, which will have a huge diagonal of 6.81 inches. What camera will the Galaxy S22 have? The leak goes on to reveal some new camera specs for the Galaxy S22 Trio. It has long been rumored that the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus will be equipped with a 50 megapixel main camera in a bundle in which an ultra wide-angle module and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens will work. Now we have information regarding the camera configuration of the top-end Galaxy S22 Ultra. It is reported that the phone will be equipped with the main sensor of 108 megapixels, two telephoto lenses of 12 megapixels each, and there will also be one 12 megapixel ultra wide-angle module. According to rumors, a laser autofocus system will have to be responsible for the orientation of the camera. What battery capacity will be used in the Galaxy S22 line? The batteries of new devices should be more powerful, but this applies only to the younger and middle models, Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus. According to rumors and leaks, they will receive 4000 mAh and 4800 mAh batteries respectively. In the case of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, there will be no changes and the battery will remain the same as in the last year's model, 5000 mAh. What processor will be used in the Galaxy S22 line? Samsung is expected to equip the Galaxy S22 phones with a new, more powerful Exynos 2200 chipset. One of its key features will be AMD graphics, which will bring ray tracing and variable speed shader capabilities to the smartphones. Unfortunately, the latest leak claims that the availability of the Exynos Galaxy S22 models will be very limited due to processor manufacturing issues. As such, most makers should get the version of Snapdragon 898 phones with Adreno graphics accelerator. This processor should be presented at the end of the year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.